Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to unblock on Plenty of Fish. So you don't get any option to unblock any person you have blocked on POF in the application. But to see the list of blocked people, you'll have to first of all navigate to any browser on your mobile phone or PC and go to the search bar and type in Plenty of Fish blocked users. After typing in this, hit enter or click on the go icon, then you will get some search results where you will see the link that says help.pof.com blocking guide. You'll have to click on this link and it will show you this page. On this page, scroll down and navigate to the unblocking section. As you can see, if you have a change of heart or they have a change of personality, you can always unblock another member. Simply head over to the profile or settings, or you can click on this use this link and view your list of blocked profile and select the person and unblock them to welcome them back to your life. So you can only unblock from the Plenty of Fish website right now. So you'll have to log on to a desktop computer. So open your PC, then click on this link after searching for this website. And when you click on this link, it is going to open up the Plenty of Fish page where you'll have to basically enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, you'll be taken over to another page where you will see the list of blocked people. You'll have to basically click on the unblock button and that person will be unblocked from the Plenty of Fish website. So that's how you unblock on Plenty of Fish. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.